Okay, so before I started recording this, on camera, I was actually thinking that how am I going to convince you about this serum, because I'm 100% sure you would not have seen this in any social media, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, nowhere you would have seen this serum. And this is the serum that has changed my hair, that has changed my life, literally. Okay, if that makes sense. So, but anyways, I'm going to try my best because that's what I do. So, hi there guys. Welcome back to my channel, Girl Next to Decide. I hope you all are doing well. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and that would mean the world to me. I post a lot of content on hair care, skin care, makeup, wellness, this, that, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, then hello again. So today I'm going to talk about one product. I don't know why nobody ever is, talking about it, because the product itself doesn't look glamorous. There are no PR stunts, associated with all this, but it is a hidden gem, okay? And when I say hidden gem, I mean it, okay? That is because, I made a video. If you have seen the past video that I made on my hair, journey, and how ridiculous my situation was last year, and in 2022 as well. So every time I go through these bouts of hair loss and severe hair loss, so severe that I almost, I feel that I'm going to depression. That level of hair loss I have gone through twice in my entire life. And in both of these two instances, my doctor has suggested this serum to me. But then it is not a serum that only if the doctor writes to you, only then you can use it. Nothing like that. It is something that is not famous because it's not been talked about, okay? It's not, there are no PR stunts on it, or, there are no celebrities talking about it, and that's the only reason why it's not famous. But I'm going to make it famous because I need you guys to see what is genuinely good for hair rather than people talking about it, okay? So the product that I am going to talk about is the QSera serum. You can already, you can already see how much I have used, and this is my second bottle from 2024, I think October, September, sorry. Okay, so this is one serum that works like magic. I don't know what you're going to call this video. This is a hidden gem. This is that one product that can stop your hair loss, start your hair growth, and that's all that we want, right? So you might be thinking, okay, girl next door, you yourself don't have a lot of hair, then what are you even talking about? Oh, come on, go and check my video here. I'm going to link it somewhere. You don't know how much hair was falling out in last year. And like I said, post viral fever, even if I do like this, chunks of hair would fall out and I would cry for hours on end. And that's when I got to know of this. So, okay, enough talking. Now going back to the facts. This is QSera hair serum. If you see, this is the bottle, QSera hair serum. This minimizes, the claims are minimizes hair loss, regrows hair, moisturizes hair, protects hair. Okay, and that this product, okay, lives up to everything it has written. Okay, and this is, you can see, it's a, if I talk about packaging, there was an outer cardboard packaging which I've obviously thrown it away because at that time I didn't have the plan to make this video. Okay, so you can trust me when I say that this works like magic. This works very well, and this is that one product which does not get any of the attention that it actually deserves, but it is very, very good when it comes to stopping hair loss and growing new hair. Now, coming to the packaging, as you know, it's a plain, apart from the cardboard one, which I have thrown it, it is a plain plastic packaging, okay? And this is a spray. If you see, it's a spray, nozzle is there, and the quantity of the product is 60 ml, and it's a little bit expensive, but then good products, okay, good quality products always comes at a price. So the price of this product is 1500 rupees, okay, but let me tell you, 2-3 sprays are enough. 2-3 sprays, spray. 2-3 sprays are enough to cover all the problem areas. That's what I do. Okay, I'll show you how to apply it later, but it's enough and it runs for a really long time. It lasts you for around 2 months. One bottle will last you 2 months, and it has a pretty good shelf life. It has a 3 years of shelf life, and the product is available at Nykaa, at Amazon, and all the other pharmacies, the pharmaceutical apps. You can get this product everywhere. And the components, I'm going to talk about the components now. Now, those were pretty difficult for me to pronounce because these are not the, usual kind of things that we hear. It's not minoxidil or this product or that component. That is not what is present in this, okay? So I literally had to write down the components to explain you better. So what does this serum contain that makes it so good? And the 4 top agents are acetyl tetrapeptide. This is the component which reduces hair loss by targeting the root cause and stimulates new hair. Now, last year when I had terrible hair fall, my doctor suggested that I use this. So after using this for 1 month, I noticed that my hair fall has reduced to a great extent. And after 1.5 months, my hair fall got reduced to a very, very great extent. Almost 70% of the hair loss has stopped. And after almost at the end of the 2nd month, I was seeing that here I was having new hair growth. This is my problem area actually. I have quite a good amount of hair, towards the back, but then my hair towards the crown is really less. I had bald patches especially. So I did see a good amount of baby hair on the crown area, and that is where I think my problem lies. If your problem is your crown area, then I think this is going to help you. So acetyl tetrapeptide is the first, component. The other one is trifolium flower extract. This is that component which will nourish those baby hairs. Now, baby hairs, like, a human baby needs a lot of nourishment to grow, okay, and to become bigger. In the same way, the baby hairs require the nourishment necessary to grow and, become a big hair. So in the same way, this Q-Sera will work on that as well. The third is phenyl ethyl ether. That is something that protects the hair from damage. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'm going to write down everything. Panthenol ether protects the hair from damage so that the baby hair that it is giving birth to should not, go out, due to breakage. Okay. And the fourth product is milk protein. We know that protein are the building blocks of each shaft of hair. Now that the existing hair need a lot of nourishment, and the repair, this milk protein is something that repairs the protein that is already damaged from existing hair. And in 2022, I had really bad dengue. I had to be admitted to the hospital. And obviously, that post-dengue, we get telogen effluvium. That is one more thing which leads to abnormal hair loss because of dead hair roots. After that also, doctor has given me this exact same thing, which, cured my hair fall and cured my condition. So this is one holy grail product that nobody nowhere will tell you about, but this is something that as my subscriber, you should be knowing about this product because you need to know what hidden gem this actually is. One problem that I faced is this is not really a problem. Rather, this is a very, I'll show you how you can use this. So just spray here, okay? It's exactly like water, 2, 3. So in this way, as you see, you can just spread it across your scalp. Just massage, the liquid into, it's completely like water. You will not even feel that, anything is there. Let me just show you the, actual liquid, the texture of it. You see here, if you can see that, I just sprayed So this is how it does not make your hair oily, nothing at all. But then after 3 days, eventually if you are using this every night before, you're sleeping, okay, it might lead to a buildup. Okay, and that is very natural because you will be using this product every single day, right? So it will lead to a buildup, which you have to shampoo it with use a mild shampoo and wash it off the next day. So I would recommend that every 3 days, please do wash your hair with shampoo. So that is what. And other than that, if I talk about usage, bit rather, you need to use it every night before you go to sleep as your nighttime hair care routine. I don't know if there is anything that you're following like this, but if there is a nighttime hair care routine that you're following, make sure that you're adding this, because this is going to be that one game changer. Like I have shown 3 sprays here, and just massage them, okay, and you will be done. Just rub it, in circular motion with your fingers, put it into your scalp so that the liquid penetrates well, and you're done. It's not necessary that you have to use it at night only, because like I have shown it to you, it is not at all sticky. It's completely like water, clear water. So even if you use it during the daytime, like I have just use this in front of you, do you think that my hair has become oily? No, right? So this is exactly what I was telling you. So you can use this during the day as well, and after a while your hair is going to become completely dry and the scalp will absorb this liquid. So that was all about. I really wish that, as in my channel I show you the most genuine products that I have come through, and this is the most underrated serum that I wanted you to know about and get the benefit out of it. So that's all about today's video. I hope you learned something new. I hope this solved one problem of some great hair care product that you were looking for hair gloss and hair growth. So thank you so much. I hope that was helpful. Please leave your comments down if you want me to make a video on any other topic other than this. And thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.